Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna to explain that f is inversely proportional to the distance square. We know that in gravitation also we write that f is directly proportional to the m1 into m2 and it is inversely proportional to the distance square. But from where this distance square came, that today I will tell you. So first, we know that from Kepler's third law, we have that r cube by t square, where r is the mean distance of the planet from sun. So r cube by t square is a constant. Okay. Now, Newton said that we have to assume that the orbit is in circular shape. We know that it is in elliptical, but we have to assume that it is in circular shape. So here it is the sun, here it is the radius, and we have our planet with mass m and it is going with speed v. We cannot say a velocity because velocity changes at every moment. So we know that centripetal force of any revolving object is given by mv square by r. This is the main formula which was used for deriving f is inversely proportional to the r square. So it is the main formula that centripetal force of any object going around in circular orbit is given by mv square by r. So we know that f is equal to mv square by r if here we know that mass is constant everywhere. Okay, unless the speed is very about speed of light, so leave it. Now we know that mass is constant everywhere. So if we take mass as a constant, then we will get that f is directly proportional to v square by r. This is our first equation. If we take that the time period, t as a time period for revolving orbit one time by that planet, so we can write that speed is equal to 2 pi r by t. We know that 2 pi r is whole circumference, means the distance traveled. Okay, so we can take that speed is equal to 2 pi r by t, and here we know that pi is constant. So if we take 2 pi as a constant, we will get v is directly proportional to r by t, or v square is directly proportional to r square by t square. Okay, so here comes the change. We can write that r square by t square as r cube by t square into 1 by r. We know that r and r will get cancelled. We will get r square by t square only. Okay, see here, r cube by t square into 1 by r. For example, if we are writing 2 by 5, we can also write that 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. Okay, so here 2 and 2 they will get cancelled. So here comes the change, that v square is directly proportional to r cube by t square into 1 by r. But we know that r cube by t square is a constant, so we have to take it aside. So we will get that v square is directly proportional to 1 by r. Okay, but we know from our equation 1 that f is directly proportional to v square by r. Here see, we have f is directly proportional to v square by r. So if we put that in our first equation, that v square is directly proportional to 1 by r. So if this we put here, then we will get f is directly proportional to 1 by r into 1 by r. Okay, just see once again that we here derive from this r cube by t square constant that v square is directly proportional to 1 by r, and we know our equation number 1 by taking mass as constant, that f is directly proportional to v square by r. On combining this both equation, let's name it equation number 3, this one. Okay, so on combining equation 1 and 3, we will get f is directly proportional to 1 by r square, or f is inversely proportional to r square. If I write in 2 lines, we know that f is directly proportional to v square by r, and we derived that v square is directly proportional to 1 by r. Okay, so if we put this v square 1 by r here, okay, so we can write that f is directly proportional to 1 by r, upon r. So this r will go here. So we will get F is inversely proportional to r square. Okay, it's just a simple thing. The main role plays here is three things. First is this assumption that we are going circular. Second is r cube by t square constant. And third one is the centripetal force formula, mv square by r. Hope you like this video, and if you like this, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned. And if you have any queries, let me know in comment section. Thank you.